What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. We're here with another 1985 Foxbody LX video, and here comes Brutus to spy on us. But today we got an exciting video. We are going to talk through the process that we took for our budget $75, I think they're hooker headers is what I was told. And we're going to talk about the process to prep them and basically not renew them, but kind of restore them and protect them so we can reuse them on our Foxbody after they were taken off another Fox. So when I got these things, they were super rusted. So we're gonna talk through the process that we did. It was super simple, but we're talking through the process to grind them down, prime, and paint them that we went through, okay? So stand by, let's get this done because we got big things coming for this car. She's gonna be loud. Projekt Raev is gonna sound amazing, and that's coming real soon. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so today's episode we are going to start cleaning up our headers and getting them ready for paint to get them ready for the Foxbody. And Leighton's going to help me out. Moments like this, you're proud of your boys. So we sanded down, ground down with a wire wheel one of the headers. Went ahead and put a coating of flame-proof primer on it on one side. We're gonna flip it over. We're gonna do the other side real quick. Should be mostly dry. Some of the stuff's definitely gonna be harder to hit than other spots. That's all right. All right, let's see. Sometimes good job of caking on there pretty good. I don't think the primer's gotta be perfect. Help paint stick. Got a coating, one coating on. I'm gonna go ahead and grind down the other one, get it ready to go. The next thing we're gonna do is the very high temperature flame-proof paint, which is rated for 1300 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna get some of this on there. We went with black. That coats it pretty well. Should be able to do 2 coats from one can, I think. The primer's definitely helping to coat. What, black? Yeah, guys, that looks really, really, really good. Definitely looks better than when it was all rusted and corroded. I'm gonna finish these up. I'll show you guys what we get. All right, so we finished painting our headers, our new to us headers. These obviously used. They're pretty badly, you know, a lot of surface rust. And look, at least they come pre-dented, so I don't have to worry about doing that. It's already been done for me. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, get these. These are pretty much prepped now, ready to go in the car. I know you guys love the hat. It's super sunny out, and I don't want to burn my dome, so we gotta do what we gotta do. But can't wait to get those headers on the Foxbody. I've heard from multiple sources that Longtube header installs are a pain in the butt. They're a pain in the butt in every Mustang, so Foxbody is obviously no different. Luckily, the headers that we got, they've been cut and sliced, so you can kind of work the tubes around the steering shaft and all that. So hopefully it goes smoothly. I think it will. That's coming up super soon. MJI, car guy, Foxbody owner, beautiful paint job on his car. He's coming down, and we're gonna get the headers installed on this thing. I've already been pre-soaking the exhaust manifold and the mid pipe with PB Blaster to make sure we don't have any issues or hiccups, hopefully. And went ahead and double checked the X pipe under the car to make sure it's going to line up with the transmission mounts, and I believe it will. So super stoked. Can't wait to hear what the Flowmaster 40s sound like with no cats, let alone with long tubes. I think this car is going to be rowdy. It's probably going to give the Boss a run for its money. I bet you it's louder than the Boss. If you guys think it'll be louder than the Boss, comment down below. Can't wait to do. We'll do an exhaust competition between the two. That should be pretty cool. I'm very excited with where this car is going. We still have the top back there as another project that's coming up. So there'll be another video coming up here. It's got to be here before Foxtoberfest. So got a lot to do, a little time to do it. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful, informative, enjoyable. Whatever. You know, I had to restore those headers anyway. I wanted them to look a little bit nicer inside the car, so we went ahead and did it. And a lot of you guys might be wondering, you know, you're going to build that motor, so why are you throwing them on, you know, your flat tappet motor? Well, I don't know how long it's going to take me, and I have a running car right now, and I'd love for it to just sound good while I'm cruising around, and that's why. But that's really going to do it for today's video. If you liked today's video, click that like button down below. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, follow our build. Projekt Raev is coming a long way from when we got it. It already looks night and day different just with the wheels alone, let alone the trim accents that we're going to put on this thing. But that's going to do it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time on Foxbody Rides. Take care.